Hey guys, it's Michelle here from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're not. And in today's quick video, I'm just showing you how I use various size puff cuffs to style this very old wash and go. I mean, it is summertime, it is hot, nobody feels like doing their edges, making everything nice and neat. Sometimes you just want to pull your hair up, make it presentable, and be on your way. So if you're looking for like some sweet tutorial, this is definitely not it. This is just showing you ways that I can just keep my hair neat when the wash and go is old and it's really time to wash, but I just have to make time for it. So the first style is really easy. It is a half up, half down do. Now, if those curls were defined and those edges were slick, it would have a different effect, but this is what you got. The second style is a curly puff. Really simple, really easy, and protective because my ends are not rubbing on my shoulders. And the third and final style, I use the large puff cuff to make this wide ponytail. It just makes my hair look so thick, doesn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. In the future, I'll style some more neatly styled styles. But thanks for watching.